It was amazing.
That was great. Class was amazing.
Incredible.
Amazing.
Inspiring.
Amazing.
Amazing.
Fantastic.
Loved it.
Amazing. I thought it was probably the best class I've ever attended, and I've been to many.
Everything I was expecting and a little bit more.
I liked the format. It was very intimate.
It was so cool to learn all those different styles and different techniques of styling that I definitely did not know before this class.
I learned more in 2 days than probably the last year.
He definitely knows about shape and how to present it to people who really want to learn.
It was eye-opening, everything was beyond expectations, and we wouldn't expect any less from art.
I think the simplicity of it all, like not overthinking it and just how easy it is to create the looks.
Everything. They did everything. I love it. Of course, his haircuts are amazing, but also his work ethic and how far he's come.
I really liked the way that he overlaid the new curl wave with the, I guess now the old school beach wave.
Everything? From start to finish, it was just all amazing.
The module,
Yes.
definitely game changer for sure with that.
Aspect of looking at it in a modular way, but also the movement of the hair and the simplicity of it all.
My favorite part was meeting Han, obviously, but secondly was just learning an entirely different way to cut hair. After doing hair for 10 years and always striving for new techniques and new ways of doing things, and this is a way that I've never seen before.
It's that soft undercut. It's kind of an underrated thing because people don't really see it, but it's the longevity behind that kind of cut that shows after it's been lived in. That's what it's all about.
Definitely the dry cutting, that's gonna be new for me, and I'm excited to do it and change the way that everybody thinks.
The customizing of the haircut to a person's shape, like of the head and the hairlines.
One of my favorite parts was how loose he keeps his shears so that you avoid the wrist trauma, like long term. I thought that was actually a great tip that I've never had before.
All the undercutting.
Yeah.
I'm so
Point
excited.
cutting, lots of point cutting.
Yeah.
And don't be afraid to point cut.
The modular cutting, just for consistency with cuts, I think that is huge for us.
Definitely cutting the hair dry, which I did do some of that, but not in the way that he taught it today.
Definitely washing, blow drying it, and then cutting it.
Almost everything, the deep channel point cutting, the sectioning, it's the foundation, it's the most important.
Absolutely, yeah.
Yes, 100%. Yes, absolutely.
I recommend this class to anybody.
Absolutely, I would recommend it.
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
Definitely.
To anybody that is looking for more of the lift-in look and is wanting just something easy, low maintenance, and a little bit more customized to them.
Anybody who wants lift-in hair,
From the top, it was something that someone could take something from. Yeah.
I recommend it to anybody, even people that have been in the industry for a really long time. I think it's important to see all different aspects and different perspectives, and this was an amazing class.
Anyone who is starting out to the most advanced hairdresser, I think this is for everyone.
Anybody who's trying to keep up with like the modern way of doing things with hair, and being from Canada, like this is, I feel like it's a very California vibe. So if you're trying to bring that to your city, like I'm from a smaller town, and I feel like I can bring that there.
She's only been a hairdresser since December, and I've been for 34 years, so we both got different things out of it, I think.
Might be a little bit hard to take in for some beginners. Maybe mid-level to higher level can, just refresh certain things, certain skills to, almost remotivate yourself, re-spark the passion, just to see things in a different light.
I'm here probably the oldest person in the room, but there was many different ages here, so if you really want to continue to learn and not afraid to learn, this is the class for you.